WTDVO008. Jessa Pitt Lim, 27 years old, single, a graduate of Bachelor of Arts in English, and has 2 years experience as a private domestic helper in the Philippines. Okay, Jessa, can you tell me something about yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me something.
I'm Jessa Pitt Lim. I'm 27 years old. I'm single, but I have 2 babies.
Okay, how old are your babies?
One is 3 and the other is 1 year and 7 months. Both are girls.
Okay, so what is your present location?
I'm in Davao and it's 1 hour and 30 minutes away from Manila via plane.
Okay, tell me something about your family background.
We are 6 in our family. We don't have parents anymore and I'm the youngest.
Okay, if with children, who will take care of them?
My in-laws will take care of my children and also my siblings.
Okay, tell me something about your domestic helper experience.
As a domestic helper, I water the plants, cook, and I also take care of the pets of my employer, and I clean the house, wash the clothes also. Ironing
Do
also.
you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, I know how to cook lumpia Shanghai, chicken and beef noodles, and also pancit.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are singing, and I also love listening to the radio.
What are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, I am very willing.
What about elderly?
Yes,
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
yes, I know.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
First step is you wash the bottles, and afterwards you sterilize. And then you make the milk. You put hot water and you add the milk according to the formulation on the milk label, and then you try if it's still hot, and if it's not hot anymore, you give it to the baby.
Okay, if the baby still keeps crying, what will you do?
If the baby is still crying, I will carry the baby and then check if the diaper is already full, and I will also try to check if the baby has a fever.
Okay. If the baby has fever, what will you do?
If I found out that the baby has a fever, I will immediately call my madam or my employer and inform them and wait for the instructions.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes.
Okay, sing it.
Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall. And down will come baby, cradle and all.
Okay, do you have any other talents?
I'm singing and I can do basic drawing.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
If I feel homesick, I will just make myself busy by doing more work or household chores.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract?
No, I will ask my relative what is the sickness, and if it's worse, I will ask my employer. And it depends on my employer, but I will not break the contract.
Okay, what could you teach the children?
I can teach them alphabet, shape, singing, and dancing a little bit.
How long can you work in Hong Kong, and why Hong Kong?
It will be 2 years or as long as my employer wants my service. And in Hong Kong, because the employer are good, and also their country is beautiful.
Okay, thank you.